Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Redmi Buds 3 Lite with your Android smartphone. Okay, so first of all you have to charge them at least to the 50%. At the bottom you can find input for the USB-C cable, and of course you have to input them to the charging case. After that, as you can see on them, we can find these indicators. When we take them out of this case, these indicators will start blinking just like that. It means that right now they are visible for other devices. So it's time to move for the Bluetooth settings on our phone. We can go, for example, from the settings. Next we have to go for the connected devices, click to pair new device. You can also access for the Bluetooth by using this icon by clicking and holding, so we can decide. When you open to pair new device, the Redmi Buds 3 Lite will appear, and right now you can just simply tap on them and accept the pairing request. And as you can see, that's how easy you can connect these earphones to your Android phone. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.